all anyone's going to see from me today is just absolute grinding, cranking music, and talking to cameras. And other than that, I don't want to be disturbed. I don't want my phone to go off. I just want to get in my zone.
Yeah, Dave.
I was talking to Dad. He's not even interested in what I have to say. So, let's start fucking grinding.
Rising Grand Rising team. We will be continuing with just sanding back the weatherboards, prepping the fascias, ripping off the gutters, getting those ready for the re-roof. So the boys are already going hard. Got Dion up there, already at it. Got the Goss man, already at it. Phew. So that is the plan for today. As always, if you guys are liking the content and this is creating value for you guys, or at least helping you identify some tips, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe, the latest updates. We are going to be trying to release 1 to 2 videos a week, which will increase over time. So let's go. Oh. This is a little tip if you have fucked weatherboards, flaky weatherboards, like we do. So out the front, we've stripped it back to wood, but along the sides and the back of the house, where it's not part of the house frontage or the street appeal, we are going to just be feathering it. What you need to do, the fastest way to do this without having to use paint strippers, is you get a solid back, so a hard back for an angle grinder, and then you got to get angle grinder sanding discs that go, and you can get different grits. So this is a 24 grit. This is fucking hefty. It's like literally like gravel. So this is probably too heavy. Keep in mind, the more the grit or the lower the grit, the thicker sandpaper is, and it's going to really rip into the wood. The higher the grit, so 120 grit, it's going to give a softer finish, but it's not going to chew through the heavy shit. I'm no painter by any means, but I have figured this out through our painter Dion, and just he's telling us what to do. Couldn't get anything higher. A 34 would have been better. So we're using, I think this is a 24 or 28, whatever it is. So this is going to be really heavy, so I'm going to have to go really lightly because it's going to smash it off. So let's get fucking into it. Do a bit of a progress update. So just been sanding back these boards. What's happening here? Stepped?
Nah, we just got a bit of
bit of dust in the eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you got some first sight? Hey? Have you got some
irons?
What do you have to say for yourself?
No.
Mr. Fudder?
No, we just caught having a chat.
Okay. You want the truth?
What happens when you get a little bit older?
I've just been telling neighbour Bob.
Yep.
I'm getting out of here.
You're not my son, and I don't know how to tell you. But
Yeah, he's not the son.
I fucking knew it.
No.
I was like, why are my legs so much better?
No, get it right. During working hours, he's your boss. After hours, he's your son.
Bob.
Oh, Bob!
Bob's
Oh,
a
man.
That's brilliant!
Bob's a wise man.
It's really hard to educate you, Tony.
It is really hard.
I like that, Bob.
Do you?
Yeah. Can we knock off now, son?
Absolutely
You will
not.
fucking do some cleaning.
Absolutely
You heard
not.
Bob? You'll get inside, you'll clean my room, it's fucking dusty because you pricks.
Hey Bob,
Yeah, mate.
you got any advice for the day?
I just gave it, mate. You're the boss.
Yeah. It's good advice. You should listen to it and listen to your boss. Alrighty team, tools down, day over. I think we're in for some rain. Oh, it actually might miss us. Yeah, it looks like it's going to miss us actually. So anyway, we've just gone and packed up, cleaned up. This is where we got to. Place is looking so good. Smoking it. Should be painted in no time. Those are rain clouds in the distance. Dossie?
Here I am, in the flesh.
Once again.
We meet again, camera.
Look at the bicep thing.
What does that do for you, huh? What does it do for you? Hold on, where's the oyster? Get that one here. Look at that. Where is it? Look at that. That's a day.
Oh shit,
That is a day of
grinding.
squeezing the grinder. Look at that.
Yeah.
Huh?
Flicking. Fuck, look at that flick. Do that again.
Again.
We're gonna slow that down.
Look at
Right there.
Look at the.